Welcome everybody, my name is Monica Ayala here at Riverside Hyundai, and today we're going to talk about display settings on the 2026 Hyundai Kona. Let's access your display settings. You're going to start by swiping to the left, Setup, Display. You're going to be given three options: brightness, 20 being the brightest, or dimmer. Camera settings. It sets the property of your camera. You have camera properties, parking distance warning, top view parking guidelines, rear view parking guidelines. You also have display settings, brightness at night, and camera contrast. You also have your blue light filter. It reduces the strain on your eyes by controlling it on a warmer tone or cooler. It can be set up automatic, or you can set up a time schedule for it. Thank you guys for watching. Any comments, drop them down below, and we'll see you soon.